2020. As we all know, 2020 to be considered as worst year ever. We all went through ups and downs in life, faced difficulties in life, starting with Australian bushfires to COVID-19 crisis. Let me discuss some most significant world events happened in 2020. Let's get started. First one, Australian bushfires. While Australia is no stranger to summer bushfires, quite effective this time in 2020, it was more effective. With an estimated damage over $103 billion, and also this was Australia's first ever natural disaster. Nearly 25 million acres of land area was burnt, millions of animals were killed, and destroyed 3,000 homes nearly. And also, according to reports, bushfires have released 400 megatons of carbon dioxide into atmosphere. Fires concentrated along the Australia's southeast coast and in states of New South Wales and in Victoria. The fires have started in various ways, some by lightning, some by human activities or arson. Arson is nothing but it's a criminal act on purpose setting fire to a property, that's called arson. But the main reason for bushfires in 2020 was the climate conditions. The climate conditions was enough for fires to spread and grow and to cause huge damage all over Australia. Second one, Beirut explosion 2020. On August 4, 2020, a large amount of ammonium nitrates stored at the port of Beirut, capital of Lebanon, exploded and caused at least 208 deaths, 8,000 injuries, 3 lakh people homeless, and $18 billion of property in damage. If you come to ammonium nitrate is a crystalline solid, contains ions of ammonium and nitrate, used in fertilizers, herbicides, insecticide, and also as oxidizer in rocket propellant, exploded and caused a huge damage in Beirut, capital of Lebanon. This was the Beirut explosion 2020 that caused huge damage because of fire. Third one, limited sporting activities resumed with strict COVID protocols, but the spectators barred from grounds, played with empty stadiums. Olympics, the Summer Olympics postponed for the first time since World War II, Wimbledon cancelled, and IPL to find a temporary home in UAE, and they completed without any spectators with empty stadiums due to COVID-19. Black Lives Matter, a social movement protesting against all police brutality, extreme cruelty, and racially motivated violence against black people, highlighting discrimination, inequality, racism experienced by the black people. George Floyd, an unarmed black man murdered by police officer. About 15 million to 25 million people participated in demonstration over the death of George Floyd. It's the largest movement in US history, the Black Lives Matter, protesting over all racially motivated violence against the black people. India, China. In late May, Chinese forces objected Indian road construction in Galvan River Valley. Two nations were competing to build infrastructure along the border, known as Line of Actual Control. Clash with Chinese troops that left Indian soldiers dead. 20 Indian soldiers were dead. And later, India to permanently ban 59 Chinese apps, including TikTok. Joe Biden wins presidency. Americans felt passionately about 2020 elections. More than 159 million people voted, its highest since 1900. The race was called for Joe Biden. Trump refused to concede. However, insisting he had won, he demanded recounts in several states and tried variety of things to overturn the results. But none of his challenges paid off. Finally, Joe Biden wins the presidency of America. COVID-induced economic crisis. Things that start small can reshape the world. The World Health Organization estimates in October that as much as 10% of world's population had already contracted to COVID-19. By year's end, some 1.7 million people have died from it. As countries implemented lockdown to stop the disease spread, the global economy down, it may have contracted by more than 4% and poverty rates spiked. The total GDP, about 84.54 trillion US dollars, almost 3 trillion lower than in 2019 because of COVID-19. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to channel Alex Tillwood.